Welcome back, and now we'll look at the political events that took place in the state.
Walanka Alemau has started door-to-door campaigning in Banauli constituency. She started her campaign after taking blessings from her father, Churchill Alemau. She claims that all young and old are supporting her. However, it is still not officially declared from which party she will contest, though it is being unofficially said that Congress High Command will likely clear her candidature. On the other hand, former councillor of Madgaon municipality, Camilo Barreto, has withdrawn from Fatorda poll contest. He says he and his supporters will decide which candidate to support in Fatorda. Earlier, Camilo had started campaigning in Fatorda constituency. He says he is not supporting Pratima.
I withdraw from Fatorda constituency because of backstabling in Fatorda.
म्हणतो प्रतिमा नाका तुमकां
ना आमकां नाका अशें म्हाका दिसता कित्याक हें सडन न्यू फेस म्हणल्यार काम करपा जाय न्ही लोकां मदीं काम करपा जाय पूण हाय कमांड म्हणल्यार तो कसो जावपाक शकता न्ही.
Our reporters Savio Dias and Samir Bhatt for Prudent Media.
And now news from sports. In a gripping I-League derby, Salgaonkar Sports Club had an easy win against title aspirants Churchill brothers. The Green Brigade scored 3 goals past Churchill. Ishfaq Ahmed opened the scoring in the 30th minute, while Nigerian striker Ede Chidi made it 2-0 for Salgaonkar minutes later. And an in-form Ruiji Soka scored in the second half to ensure a thoroughly professional performance from the defending champions. This is Salgaonkar's 6th win in 7 matches. Churchill's title aspirations have taken a big blow after this loss, while Salgaonkar are up to 4th in the standings.
This was a must-win tie for both sides. On the half-an-hour mark, Ishfaq Ahmed opened the scoring for the Green Brigade, while 24-year-old Nigerian striker Ede Chidi made it 2-0 in just 4 minutes later. Salgaonkar continued their domination in the second half. This run by Ruiji Soka was swift, as was the pass, and Francis Fernandes was brought down in the box that earned Salgaonkar a penalty. Ruiji stepped up and scored, capping off a performance worthy of a defending champion title. With this win, Churchill remain on 3rd, while Salgaonkar are up now to 4th in the I-League standings. 3 points separate 5 teams in the top half of the I-League. Karim Ben Sharifa called this a perfect performance from the club thus far this season.
When you look at the score 3-0, I think we deserve it fully, and it could have been more because there was 2 posts, we was unlucky, and we missed few chances, but I think defensively we were strong, we controlled the midfield, and our attack was on fire also.
Do you rate this performance as a perfect performance so far, looking back at all the matches of...
I think it's perfect. I think tactically we was really on top. Now there was few good matches also, but this is because it's against a strong team. This is the team with, if they win their match in hand before we play them, they was already second. And with the squad that is there, top class players.
Manuel Gomes vented out his feelings on the hectic schedule his team has had to endure.
Good luck for Salgaonkar, play better. But my team have 3 games in 1 week. 3 games in 1 week. Sunday, Wednesday, today. Wednesday in Shillong Lions. Big run. No recovery. My players, no machine. No machine, no recovery. No recovery, no time for recovery.
Very tough.
This is very, very important for this squad. Clean win because my players, no recovery this time.
No rest.
No rest. 2 months before, I asked for change the game against Man. Cannot change. This is trouble.
From Fatorda, sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with reporter Mayur Naik.
Goa lost to Hyderabad by just 11 runs in a nail-biter of a match in the PS Ram Mohan South Zone Limited Overs tournament on Sunday. Batting first, Hyderabad scored 234 in 50 overs. Goa fell short of the target by 11 runs. This is Goa's 2nd loss in the tournament after they lost to Karnataka in the opener and won their 2nd match handsomely against host Tamil Nadu. Goa are in a must-win position in their next two matches against Kerala and Andhra Pradesh if they want to move ahead in the tournament.
This is Goa's journey in the tournament so far. In the first match, Karnataka set the tone for the tournament with a mammoth score of 320 batting first. Goa managed a decent 254 in reply. In the second match, Goa batted first and scored 257, while in reply, host Tamil Nadu were dismissed for 192, which earned Goa a bonus point as well. Ilyash Naru scored 88 in the first match, while in the second match, Suraj Dongre scored 65 and Darshan Misal scored 42 runs and bagged 3 wickets in Goa's winning cause against Tamil Nadu. Coach Vivek Kolamkar spoke to Prudent after Sunday's loss to Hyderabad.
Actually, in the morning, Hyderabad were 68 for 5. Okay. And from there on, they put on 235. So there were some misfeelings and we gave away too many runs in the field later on.
Okay.
And while batting, we were going fine with the run rate, but then in between the middle order batsmen, they failed to capitalize on the scores we had.
Okay.
And it was a crunch situation. We needed run a ball, and then again it was mistake by two of the middle order batsmen which costed us the match.
Okay, so could you say it was a little bit of a lapse attitude, because even in the field first and then on while batting, so a little bit of a lapse attitude caused this loss, because it looks like we could have easily won this match otherwise?
Yeah, that's true. Instead of lapse attitude, I would say they just miscalculated and they didn't have that attitude, that concentration level and what was needed in that situation.
With Bureau Inputs, our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook as well at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. Till then, keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye. Take care.